Say hello. Say hello. Say good morning, everybody. Here you go. That's all that she has to eat. I know. She kind of ate most of it already. But she's a little fatty. She loves food. Don't you, Colleen? Colleen, you want food? And Colleen's hair is turning like a brownish reddish color too. Are you following the camera? It's like a brown. No, it's brownish reddish in a way. Colleen. Hums. The airplane. You're so cute. You're so cute. Colleen. 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 Can you give Mommy a big smile? Can you give Mommy a big smile? Give me that big smile. Give me that big smile. Give me that big smile. Yeah, I don't want to right now. Okay. But okay. No, you can't do that. Sometimes she tries to suck on her hands like it's the bottle. It's pretty cute. Are you trying to feed yourself? It's just like crouched up like a little ball. Okay. Time to eat some more. You're almost done. Say hello, everyone. See, she pretty much finished all of it, guys. Say, well, sorry we got the video out so late. We've been so busy. Say goodbye, everyone. We love you. Bye-bye.